Hi everyone. When you want to install the Epic Game Launcher setup, this message appears. The Epic Games Launcher setup, wizard, and permanently. How to fix this problem and install it correctly. Okay. First things first, we have to go here to the Google. Go to the Epic Game Marketplace or Epic Game website. Click download. Once it's downloaded, let's go right here. When I press here to install this program, install, this message appears. The Epic Game is not installed correctly. How to fix this problem? Okay, first thing first, go here to taskbar, task manager. Go here, we have this one, run new task. Press this, create this one, and go right here. Go to the browser, download. My Epic Game Launcher setup is not appeared. How to fix that? We have to go here, new file, all files, select this, open it, and press OK. The installing is begin, install. Fine. Verifying update. The installing is finished. Now it should run properly correct. Okay, this is Epic Game Launcher. We can add your Google account and go.